Hello friends, welcome back to this session. So in the last video we have started the miscellaneous exercise. So we have seen the 5 questions, and in this video we will be seeing 5 more questions. So the question number 6 is like this: if DEF are the midpoints, if DEF are the midpoints of sides BC, CA, AB of triangle ABC, then prove that AD bar plus BE bar plus CF bar, it is equals to 0. Okay, so what to do? First step is what? Let's try to have figure here. So let's take a triangle ABC triangle. So A, B and C, and DEF are this is a midpoint of BC. D, E is CA, this is E, and F is AB. Okay, so F is AB. So the summation of these AD bar, this is the AD bar, BE bar and CF bar, this is equals to 0. Okay, so as these points are the midpoints, let's find out their position vectors. So D bar is nothing but D is the midpoint of BC, so it will be B bar plus C bar by 2. Then we have E bar, this is the midpoint of AC, so C bar plus A bar by 2. And finally we have F bar is equals to A bar plus B bar by 2. Now what is given is, let's take given LHS. Given LHS is equals to A D bar plus B E bar plus C F bar. It is, let's find out the values, substitute the vectors here. So AD bar is nothing but D bar minus A bar plus E bar minus B bar plus F bar minus C bar. D bar is nothing but B bar plus C bar by 2. I am substituting these values from equation 1. You can say minus A bar plus E bar is C bar plus A bar by 2, minus B bar plus F bar is A bar plus B bar by 2, and minus C bar. Okay, so this is what we have. Now if I take the LCM, what you will get is B bar plus C bar minus 2A bar, okay, plus C bar plus A bar minus 2B bar, okay, and plus A bar plus B bar minus 2C bar, okay, whole divided by LCM is 2. Okay, now let's check what can be cancelled out. So total count, head count karo iska. So it is 1B, B, okay, let me have some different color. So it is B, 1, 2, and this is minus 2. So this can be cancelled out. B plus B, 2B with minus 2B cancel. 1C ये हो गया 2C, this can be cancelled out with minus 2C. So we have A plus A 2A with minus 2A cancelled out. So what we have is 0 by 2, which is nothing but 0. Okay, so this is nothing but our RHS. I hope you are getting this. Good. Moving to the next question, question number 7, and it's the most important question I can say from your exercise, miscellaneous exercise. 7th question, very important question. ABCD is a parallelogram, full stop. PQ are the midpoints of the sides AB and CD. PQ are midpoints of sides AB and CD respectively. Show that DP and BQ trisects AC and are trisected by AC. Very good question. You may find it's confusing, but it is absolutely not. Because see, let's find out the figure first. So this is a figure. So this is a parallelogram we have. The parallelogram ABCD, A, B, C and D. Now what they are saying, P and Q are the midpoints of side AB and CD. So AB ka midpoint is this and DC ka midpoint is this somewhere. So this is P and this is a Q. Show that DP and BQ. So let's join this DP and BQ. So this DP is, this is the DP and BQ is this. Okay, so DP and BQ are the trisected by AC. So this is our AC. Okay, this is the AC. So this point they are talking about, these 2 points. Now let's name these 2 points as some random points. Let's take X and Y points. So this is X and this is a Y point. Okay, and if so, what the condition, or the question is saying that the DP and BQ are trisected by AC. This DP and BQ are trisected by AC means what? These all are what? 1 1 1. The length is what? 1 1 1. And are trisected by AC means what? This AC divides this DP in the ratio 2:1, and the same AC divides the BQ in the ratio 2:1. See the way they are given the question. They have given DP and BQ. So DP is in this way and BQ is in this way. So you have to take in the 2:1 ratio, in that way only. Okay. Now the first statement shows that DP and BQ are trisects AC. So DP also trisects AC means what? This part is 1 and this whole remaining part is, it is equals to 2. Okay, this part is equals to 2. This also they have given. And for QBL, BQ also the same case. Okay, so in all what we have here is nothing but we have to definitely use the internal section formula, and with that we show that the points which are trisecting are the common points. Okay, so the points which are trisecting are the common points, means see here. So let me have some. So this point X is trisecting the DP as well as AC. Okay, first let's prove that. Here what is given is, it is a parallelogram, so definitely we can say that AB bar is equals to DC bar, means what? B bar minus A bar, it is equals to C bar minus D bar. So this is equation number 1 we will take. So as P is the midpoint of AB, so P bar is equals to what? It will be A bar plus B bar by 2, implies we will have 2P bar is equals to A bar plus B bar, equation number 2. And also Q bar is the midpoint of DC, so we can have small q bar is equals to C bar plus D bar by 2, implies 2Q bar it is equals to C bar plus D bar, it is equals to equation number 3. Now what to do with these 3 equations? See here, at the first instance I am considering, or I am solving for this value X. That means I am having only DP bar and AC bar. Okay, so all the position vectors I require as a D, P, A and C. These are the position vectors I am requiring. So from the second equation, let's try to remove this B bar. So how we will remove that? So you just add the equation 1 and 2. So add equation 1 and 2. 1 plus 2, what you will get? So 1 is nothing but B minus A. So it is a B bar minus A bar equals to C bar minus D bar. So plus 2P bar, it is equals to A bar plus B bar. Okay, so that will be equals to, so what I am doing, I am just removing the B bar from the second equation. B bar minus A bar plus 2P bar, it is equals to C bar minus D bar plus A bar plus B bar. So as B bar is same on the LHS as well as RHS, we can easily remove this. Next we have is 2 p bar. Now take this minus d bar on this side, so we will get plus, so it is a c bar, and minus a on this side will becomes a plus a 2a bar. That's it. So what to do now? So let's rearrange this. So you will have 2 p bar plus d bar, it is equals to 2a bar plus c bar divided by 2 plus 1 and divided by 2 plus 1. I am doing this for arrangement. Okay, see here, this is nothing but a x bar point. This is the position of trough point x, which divides this segment. See, this is nothing but the internal section formula. Internal section formula, it is m is to m b bar plus n a bar upon m plus n. So for this, what I can say, x divides the segment dp in the ratio 2:1. Yes or no? X divides the segment dp in the ratio 2:1. Similarly, for this part, what you can say, x divides the segment ca in the ratio 2:1. मीन्स क्या हो रहा है भाई, यहाँ पे जो x पॉइंट है ना, ये दोनों को 2:1 रेशियो में ही डिवाइड कर रहा है. मीन्स व्हाट, इट इज अ ट्राइसेक्टिंग. दैट इज द पॉइंट वी आर expecting here. So dp and bq trisects ac. Now what we have proved here is dp trisects ac and ac trisects dp, vice versa. Similarly we can prove for the bq also. So bq and ac and bq. Okay, so for that purpose what to do? So let's verify by taking the vectors qb and ac now. Okay, so from equation 1 and 3, what you will remove now? I will remove a bar. I will remove, no sorry, I don't want the d bar there, so I will remove the d bar. Okay, so let's remove the d bar. So for that purpose, what you will do, how you will remove that d bar? Let's subtract it, because see, this d bar is on the RHS side and here also d bar is on RHS side, and दोनों का साइन अलग है. So let's subtract 1 and 3. So for that purpose, let's do 1 minus 3. So what we have, 1 in the 1 we have b minus a equals to c minus d. So b minus a equals to c bar minus d bar, and in the 3 what you have is 2q is equals to c plus d. 2q is equals to c bar plus d bar. Okay, you are doing the subtraction, so let's have minus sign, and it becomes minus. Okay, minus नहीं चाहिए था, प्लस ही चाहिए था, sorry. So प्लस ही चाहिए because opposite sign है ना, so we can directly add them. Okay, let's remove this. Remove. Good job, भाई. Okay, so here let's add them only, because addition किया तो ही चला जाएगा वो, कोई problem नहीं है. Okay, so it is d bar cancel हो गया. So what you have now? So it is b bar minus a bar plus 2q bar is equals to 2c bar. So it is a q bar. Okay, now let's keep the positive signs here. So it is equals to 2c bar plus a bar. Okay, now what to do? Divide by 2 plus 1 on both sides to get the internal section formula, and it is equals to some y bar. Now what you can say, this y is dividing the segment bq in the ratio 2:1. You can say mq plus nb divided by m plus n, and this y is again dividing the segment ac in the ratio 2:1. Okay, perfect. So what you are getting, the same point is dividing the db as well as the ac. So in this way you can easily prove that this AC is trisecting DP as well as BQ, and उसका उल्टा भी true है. It seems very confusing, but if you focus on the concept, it is very simple. AC जो point है DP and BQ को trisect कर रहा है, and in the other instance DP and BQ also trisecting the AC. मतलब ऐसा भी true है और ऐसा भी true है. That is the same thing. Okay, so in this way you can prove this. So what conclusion you can make here? Here the point x and y are the same for the lines vectors dp and ac as well as bq and ac respectively. That's why these are the trisection points. Okay, good. Oh, let's see the next one, question number 8 now. So it was really nice question. So if a bar, b bar, c bar are coplanar vectors, then prove that what to do, a bar plus b bar dot bracket, one more bracket and one more bracket, b bar plus c bar bracket close cross a bar bracket close plus bracket b bar plus c bar, sorry, b bar plus a bar cross b bar bracket close and the bada bracket be closed, it is equals to 0. Okay, don't be confused with these brackets, simply use the BODMAS rule and you will get the answer. Okay, so let's verify. So a bar plus b bar keep as it is, we'll use the BODMAS rule. So what BODMAS rule says, first starts with bracket. So it is b bar plus c bar cross a bar है, so distribute this a bar here, so you will have b bar cross a bar plus c bar cross a bar प्लस, सो ये दोनों हो गया ये वाला पार्ट. नाउ कम टू दिस पार्ट. सो बी बार क्रॉस बी बार प्लस ए बार क्रॉस बी बार. ओके, very good. So keep the b bar or the a bar order is very important in the cross product. Now what can be cancelled out in this case? So this can be cancelled out equals to 0. Same vector cross product. So now we have a bar plus b bar dot b bar cross a bar. So what all things you have is a bar plus b bar dot b bar cross a bar plus c bar cross a bar plus a bar cross b bar. Okay, now distribute the dot again. So a bar plus b bar dot, first one is what, b bar cross a bar plus a bar dot a bar plus b bar dot c bar cross a bar plus a bar plus b bar dot a bar cross b bar. Okay, distributing this dot with the cross inside. Now if you again distribute this a bar, so what you will get, a bar dot b bar cross a bar plus b bar dot b bar cross a bar plus a bar dot c bar cross a bar plus b bar dot c bar cross a bar. Very good. Plus now this distribute this a, so a bar dot a bar cross b bar plus b bar dot a bar cross b bar. Now if you observe very carefully, this is nothing but the dot as well as a cross. Means what, this is the box product of a, b and a. This is nothing but the box product of a bar, b bar and a bar. And fortunately the two columns are same, a bar, two rows are same, that is a bar and a bar के rows same है. Means what, you can easily equate it to 0. Okay, this is again a box product of b, b, a, so it is again equals to 0 because of these two same b, same a here we have, so equals to 0. Yes, here it is, we have some different, so let's keep it as it is. So this is again equals to 0 and this is again equals to 0. Okay, now what is remaining then? Only this part is remaining. What is that? So it is b bar dot c bar cross a bar, which is nothing but the box product of b bar, c bar and a bar. By दिया क्या है? Condition is what? These three vectors a bar, b bar, c bar are coplanar, and you know that if the vectors are coplanar, then their box product is equals to, then box product is equals to 0. Means what? It is equals to RHS. Hence proved. It's very simple. Is it okay? Very good. Let's see the 9th question now. So we'll have two more questions here. So 9th question goes like this. Find the coordinates of a point R which divides the line segment joining the points. Okay, I will directly write down the question. So we have the point P in bracket 2 comma minus 1 comma minus 4, and there is one another point Q in bracket 3 minus 2 5. So we have the PQ segment and we have to find out the coordinates of point R which divides the segment PQ externally in the ratio 3:2. Okay, so this is a point P given, Q given, and R is dividing the segment PQ externally in the ratio 3:2. Then find the coordinates of R. So what to do now? So PQ bola hai. So I hope you remember that trick. Okay, let's yes. Now remember the concept or the trick I have told you already. So if it is PQ bar and if R is dividing in the ratio 3:2, then how you proceed? So do the cross multiplication. So R bar will be equals to, so small r bar aega. So R bar will be equals to 3Q bar, as it is a external, so it will be minus 2P bar divided by 3 minus 2. So this is equals to 3Q bar means what it is, 3 into 3I minus 2J plus 5K, and minus 2 into bracket 2I minus J minus 4K whole divided by, it is 1, whole divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. It is equals to 3 3s are 9I, so it is 9I minus 6J plus 15K minus 4I plus 2J and plus 8K. Okay, so this is equals to, we have 9 minus 4 is 5I, 6 it is a minus 4J, and it is a 15 plus 8 is a 23K. Okay, so this is what we get, the position vector of the point R bar, position vector of the point R. They are asking for the coordinates of the point, so these are nothing but the coefficients of IJK. So it is 5 minus 423. So this becomes the points of the R, coordinate points of the R. Okay, it's very simple. Let's see the last question of this video. So 10th question. So I will give the question is, if G is in bracket A, 2 and minus 1 be the centroid of a triangle with the vertices, so it is a centroid they have given of a triangle with the vertices PQR, where P is equals to क्या दिया है 1 3 2 1 3 2, Q है 3B minus 4, 3B and minus 4, and R is given as 5 1 and C, 5 1 and C. So find the values of A, B and C. Okay, so this is a triangle we have, so let's draw, this is a triangle. So this is a point P, Q and R. The centroid is like this, A, 2, minus 1. P coordinates, Q coordinates and R coordinates are given. Okay, so how to do? You know that the centroid formula is what? G bar is equals to what? A bar. So here we have the P bar. So it is P bar plus Q bar plus P bar plus Q bar plus R bar divided by 3. Okay, so 3G bar, it is equals to P bar plus Q bar plus R bar. Okay, now let's substitute the values. 3 into G bar is what? It is AI plus 2J minus K, it is equals to P is what? It is I plus 3J plus 2K plus Q कितना है? It is a 3I, it is 3I plus BJ minus 4K plus 5I plus J and plus C. This is what we have in total. Now let's 3AI plus 6J and minus 3K, and here let's add the coefficients. I 3 4 and 4 and 5 9, so here we have 9I, so 3 plus B plus 1 is 4 plus B, so we have 4 plus B J, and finally we have 2 minus 4 means minus 2, so it will be C minus 2K. Okay, so the vectors are same, so we can easily equate their IJK coefficients. So here we have 3A is equals to 9, implies A कितना गया बॉस? A आ गया 3. Next for j coefficient, so 6 is equals to 4 plus b, so b कितना आ गया, b is equals to 2. Very good. 6 minus 4, and minus 3 is equals to, we have c minus 2, so c is equals to what is minus 1. So these are the values of a, b and c. I hope this is okay. So 3 comma 2 comma minus 1, so a, b, c are nothing but 3 comma 2 comma minus 1. This is what the answer for the question number 10. Okay, so I hope you have solved with me, and if not, please give a sincere try to these questions, because all of these questions are very very important. Okay, next set of questions we will see in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.